In this tutorial, we will analyze the use of the NiLAB Starter commissioning tool for the configuration, programming, and commissioning of NiLAB integrated drive motors belonging to the NLI and GDI families. The software interface is structured into three main functional areas. Let's start with the top bar, located at the top of the application. This section provides commands to create, open, and save projects. Select the serial communication port, and set the communication speed, baud rate. It also features buttons for connecting to the device, and for downloading or uploading parameters between the PC and the motor. In this same area, the drive's identification information is displayed, such as the type of connected motor and the installed firmware version. An additional field is available for enabling advanced features like Expert Mode, which is reserved for configuring low-level parameters. A progress bar indicates the real-time status of data transfers to and from the drive. Moving on to the status bar, located on the left side of the interface. Upper section contains commands for enabling or disabling the drive, resetting errors, and starting the axis homing procedure. Lower section displays the logic state of digital inputs and outputs. Monitoring. Directly below, there are three configurable monitoring variables. By default, these display the actual position, current speed, and the motor's current consumption. Motion state. This field reports the current state of the internal motion controller's state machine, indicating the operational phase of the movement. The center of the interface houses the main area, organized into several configuration and diagnostic folders. Motion controller allows configuration of the drive's integrated motion controller. Here, you can define motion profiles by setting target positions, speeds, accelerations, decelerations, and dwell times. Advanced use of this section will be covered in a dedicated tutorial. Controller configuration. Dedicated to configuring the control loops, including current, speed, and position control, along with their respective tuning parameters. Oscilloscope provides a 4-channel software oscilloscope, useful for analyzing internal signals and system tuning. Parameters collects characteristic motor and drive parameters, including homing settings, device addressing, field bus speed, tracking modes, and the in-position signal. Communication displays the Modbus RTU communication configuration. From here, you can modify the communication speed and perform a bus scan to automatically detect all connected devices. Diagnostics provides detailed information on the motor's operating status, applied load, operating statistics, and active alarms. Expert contains advanced parameters, including those related to encoder calibration, control loop sampling frequency, and the drive's PWM frequency. Parallel motion. Dedicated to configuring coordinated multi-axis movement using multiple interconnected motors. Surveillance enables real-time monitoring of active nodes on the bus, showing the operating status and load level for each motor, particularly useful for multimotor system diagnostics. PLC contains the development environment for the motor's integrated micro-PLC, programmable via instruction list or ladder diagram. You can upload or download PLC software via files or directly from the integrated editor and access diagnostic functions. Dump allows for the direct transfer, read or write, of raw data within the drive's internal registers.